Good morning, students. Welcome back to biology class. Today we are going to talk about the second model of plasma membrane, that is unit membrane model. This model proposed by Robertson scientist in 1958. Okay. Sandwich model proposed by Danieli and Davison in 1928. According to this model, cell membrane is a single layer which is made up of lipid and proteins. That's why it is known as unit membrane, because it is found in all cell and organelles. So it can be single or double layered. Double membrane is found in chloroplast, mitochondria, and in nucleus. Chloroplast, mitochondria, and nucleus have double membrane, outer and inner, and single form in remaining cell organelles like lysosome, Golgi body, peroxisomes, endoplasmic reticulum, and other remaining cell organelles except chloroplast, mitochondria, and nucleus. Single membranes of cell membrane is found. According to Robertson, thickness of cell membrane is approx 70 to 80 angstrom. 1 angstrom is equal to 10 is power minus 10. Okay, it means 75 angstrom average thickness or diameter of cell membrane. So this concept was according to Robertson scientist, but it is also rejected because Robertson and Daniel and Davison scientists failed to explain the selective permeability of plasma membrane So both models are rejected. After this, most accepted model given by Singer and Nicholson. Let's see structure of unit membrane model. Black head represents the phosphorus head. Inside, hydrophobic tail situated. Okay, these are outer protein, thickness is approx 20 to 25 angstrom. Okay, inner side area is the phospholipid bilayer and its thickness is 35 to 40 angstrom. Okay, but average thickness of cell membrane is 75. Hydrophilic head, these are hydrophobic tail. Okay, and it is the structure of unit membrane model of cell membrane. Okay, student. Now, firstly, before the starting of fluid mosaic model, we are going to talk about the structure of lipid. Okay, as you know that lipid is water insoluble, means not dissolved in water molecules because nature is hydrophobic. Protein and carbohydrates are water soluble and lipid is water insoluble. Lipid is composed of two components, glycerol and fatty acids. Okay, structure CH2OH, CH, CH2OH. It means glycerol is a 3 carbon compound, carbon first, second, third, and it is the formula of glycerol. Let's count the number of carbon. C3. Number of hydrogen 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and oxygen 1, 2. Okay, C3H7O2. And structure of fatty acids CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH. We draw only final structure of fatty acid. Okay, trimethyl ester. Here R represent the alkyl group, CH3, CH2, CH2, dot dot dot. Okay, it is the ester bond. Lipid make the ester bond, but in cell membrane form of lipid is phospholipid. Okay, so there is only change adding of phosphate at third carbon, then structure CH2 or C double bond O R, CHO, C double bond O R. Here C double bond O, it is the carboxylic group COOH. After remove of hydrogen, and functional form of carbohydrate is COO, CH2, adding of phosphate group after CH2, CH2 and three methyl group CH3, CH3, CH3 are added. This part is known as choline. Structure of choline. Choline bind with phosphorus, and this region is hydrophilic. Okay, and this is known as acyl chain, acyl tail. So it is hydrophobic, water insoluble. As you know that fatty acids are of both type, saturated and unsaturated fatty acid. Saturated fatty acid have only single bond, but unsaturated fatty acid have both double and triple bond. Okay, students. So, in lipid, glycerol, which is trihydroxy propane, react with fatty acids, which are COOH chain. Okay, R is long hydrocarbon chain like CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2. In saturated fatty acids, acyl chain is linear or straight, but in unsaturated fatty acids, it is not straight. Okay. It is the form of saturated fatty acid. That's why oil cannot freeze at room temperature and ghee freeze at room temperature, because example of saturated fatty acids are same in ghee. Oil freeze at room temperature and oil cannot freeze at room temperature and ghee freeze at room temperature. This is the reason, because in unsaturated fatty acids, acyl chains are far each other, because in their structure kink found. So glycerol plus fatty acids combinedly make the lipids, and glycerol CH2OH, CH2OH react with RCOOH. Okay. In other form, RCWS represented by HOOCR. Okay. Then CS2OH, CS2OH, CHOH, CS2OH, trihydroxypropane react with HOOC, COOH means carboxylic group, so three water molecules are released out, minus 3H2 and CS2O, C double bond O R, because it represented by only one oxygen, CO group, and remaining R. CHO, C double bond OR, and CS2O, C double bond OR. It is the structure of one FET. Okay guys.